जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा हो हमनवाज। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा हो हमनवाज। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवाज। तुम देना साथ मेरा हो हमनवाज। Man is a social animal. He is always wanting to be in the company of people. He wants an association. He wants a relationship. He wants love. He wants security. He wants protection. He wants some help. And that's why we have formed nations, states, cities, townships, villages, colonies, streets, caste, community, religion. But human beings are not satisfied. Finally, we get married. We have children. And we have our own close set of friends. And you know that it is not possible forever to succeed in life. Sometimes we lose money in the stock market. Sometimes we fail in the examination. Sometimes you lost an election. Sometimes your film gets bombed at box office. Sometimes you get out for the first ball, duck out in the cricket. Sometimes somebody who is very close to you passes away. And sometimes you lose everything that you have made for yourself, and that's when you're looking for someone to help you, someone who can hold your hand, who can lift you up. And when you have that expectation, and when people they don't come and help you, there's always a feeling of guilt, regret, dissatisfaction. All along in my life, did I really associate with people that I want? I don't even have a single person. And with that guilt feeling, finally human being dies. And when you die, when I die, some people put a Facebook post, RIP, rest in peace. Some people, they do call. Some people, they do come up to the house. Few people, they come up to the graveyard. But finally, understand, you have to travel all alone. Because human beings always asking for this, what is in it for me? During this COVID-19 times, when I see television, when I go to the Facebook, WhatsApp messages, digital media, read newspapers, when I talk to people, they say, I have come to know who are genuine, sincere people who are always wanting to help me. I've seen so many postings. That means you don't even have one person. Then what have you made finally in life? Such a big mansion, so much money in the bank, reputation, success in profession, awards and medals coming every day in the newspaper and television. So many people taking selfies and then autograph of yours. But when you fall, we don't have one sincere person without any selfish intent who can help you. You will know the real character of your wife only when you don't have money in your pocket. The way she behaves, you know. You know the real value of her children only when you become old, when you are not able to take care of yourself. And you will know the real value of a friend only when you fail, when you are at the lowest ebb of your life. Because success has got many parents, failure is an orphan. So when you are able to fly with the strength of your own wings high in the air, you don't need anyone to help you. But when you are not able to lift yourself up, that's when you need someone to push you, someone to lift you, someone to motivate you. And we always look for that person. And then finally, we die. with so much of regret that all along we have not been living the life that we really wanted. This is the world for all of us. But instead of depending upon any external person, if you can depend upon this person who has taken birth with you, who is living with you, who is going to die with you, or who is going to travel with you forever. This person, if you depend on this person, and never ever you will have regret. In fact, you'll be a very, very happy person. Because when you look back, you get experience. When you look ahead, you get hope. When you look around, you get the reality. And when you look within, you find peace, tranquility, happiness, joy. So, stop being a beggar of life. Don't ask, give me some love, give me some love. Okay, don't be a beggar of life. You should be complete with yourself. You should be complete with yourself. Means you don't need anyone else to complete you. You don't need anyone else to make you happy. You don't need anyone else to really push you up. So that's why always sing a song for this person. You need to love this person. You need to take care of this person. That is you. Because there is no one who will love you more than yourself. And you should not be loving also. So sing a song for yourself. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा हो हमनवार। ना कोई है ना कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा हो हमनवार। Now this is what I think. I'm talking about people whom I see every day, with whom I am there every day, out of my own experience of life. Maybe I am right, maybe I am wrong. If you have found somebody other than you, you are the luckiest soul ever. If not, don't ever think bad. Just believe in yourself. Just trust yourself. Just love yourself, because this guy will always come to your rescue. That is what is my thinking. And what you think? आपका क्या ख्याल है? जय सिम्हा signing off. Thank you so much. Bye bye.